In today's digital age, collaboration is key. Sharing access to vital tools like the Search Console can supercharge your team's performance and drive results like never before. First, log into your Google Search Console account. Then navigate to the Settings menu located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Next, select Users and Permissions to see a list of users who currently have access to your Search Console property. To add a new user, click on the blue Add User button. Enter the email address of the person you wish to grant access to, and choose their permission level, whether it's full or restricted. Full access allows users to view and modify settings, while restricted access limits their capabilities to viewing data only. Once you've selected the appropriate permission level, click Add to finalize the process. An email invitation will be sent to the user, granting them access to the Search Console property. Congratulations! You've successfully shared access to your Google Search Console. Now, you and your team can collaborate effectively, analyze performance data, and optimize your website for maximum impact.